Hi, my name's David Snip. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Global Cache. We've been in business 10 years now, and we produce a range of connectivity devices that allow you to connect any device to your network. Now, it could be infrared, it could be serial, it could be contact closures. These were our first line of products we developed 10 years ago now. And you can see they do Ethernet to serial, 3 IR ports. This is GC106. And we've got a larger one, the 12, which has got 2 serial ports, 3 relays, 6 infrared ports. We've even got a rack-mounted version as well, so you can mount it in a rack nice and easy. Our newer set of products are the iTouch, right? And they have Wi-Fi enabled. So just with this, you can connect to your IR ports and your IR devices and control it remotely. We've also got wired versions of that, as well as serial versions for the Ethernet and Wi-Fi for the contact closures and relays. These have been very successful. We've now got our latest product that we're launching at CES called the iTouch Flex. These are really small, right? This is the wired version, right? And you can see it's got a built-in IR learner. It's got a 3.5mm jack, and based upon what you connect with a cable to here, determines its functionality. So you could just go and plug in a blaster, right? And it'll flood the room with IR from this simple device. You could also go and plug in a serial cable, and now it can control any serial device with the same adapter. It's even got a neat mounting unit as well, so you can just clip this off, and you can like screw that onto your wall, and then slide this in, and it's now mounted. We also have a Wi-Fi version of this, right? So this will do 802.11g. It's fully compatible with all our previous protocols, so if you have an application that already supports our existing products, it should just work with our new Flex products. But we've got a new protocol in there as well, an HTTP protocol, which now allows you to control these devices from any browser. Right? So that could be a browser on your phone, on your tablet, on your Macintosh, on your Windows 8 PC. You can now control without having to install any software on your machine directly to the device. And then we have IR codes that you can store in here. So we've got all the IR codes for all the popular manufacturers and devices that are stored in here. We have a 4MB flash drive, so you can even put your web pages on here as well. And with an integrated IR learner, if we don't happen to have your code, you can just press one button on your remote, learn it, upload it to our cloud service, scan through our database and say, looks like you've got a Samsung TV. We can then download the codes to your Flex automatically via HTTP again, and then go and send it out to the device to go and control it. So it's a very flexible device. That's why it's called the iTouch Flex. You can even have, I want to add this one as well, you can even have a 3-way splitter, right, a tri-port, and then you can go and plug in 3 independent IR emitters into that one cable. And port number 3 can even be a blaster as well. So very simple to set up, very easy to configure. With the Wi-Fi, we even support WPS, Wireless Protected Setup. So you can just press a button on your router, a button on the Flex, and now they're connected to your local area network. Bring up your phone, bring up the pages on here, and you've got a control system. Very powerful, very easy to use. We're very proud of it, and we're launching it today at CES.